Hey guys, we have this C6 Corvette in for a paint correction ceramic coating. The client shipped this up from Florida. The car is in really bad shape, has some severe swirling going on. So we're going to do a two-step paint correction. You'll see Josh doing the rotary cut here, and then we're going to be doing a second polish step with the DA machine as well. Take a look at the results on this panel right here. Huge turnaround, almost a brand new vehicle. Now there's certain spots where it's a little more severe than others, but for what we're doing, this is a great turnaround of this vehicle, and the client's going to be absolutely stunned with how the vehicle looks now. After the paint correction, we're then going to protect it with our ceramic coating. So Josh is applying that here. That'll make cleaning this vehicle super easy for our client, and he's able to keep it looking like this all year round for years to come. Shoot us a call at 570-221-4240 or visit dynastyauto.net, and we'll get you an estimate for your vehicle to get protected.